boys and girls. Today we're going to play the Feely Bag game, and inside the Feely Bag are some of the toys that we looked at yesterday, and we are going to see if we can find out without looking first, listening to Mrs. Wilton's clues, what's hiding in the bag. Are you ready? Are you doing good sitting and good listening? Okay, right then, Mrs. Wilton's going to put her hand into the bag. Ooh, this feels fluffy. It's something fluffy, and it's got two ears. It's got two arms and two legs. Do you know which one it could be? Is it a camera, a doll, a car, a train, a teddy, or a mobile phone? Let's see if you were right. Come out. Hey! Were you right? It's a teddy. I found a teddy. Okay, sit that one there. Well, let's have another go. What's in the bag today? Oh, this time, this one has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels. And it's got 2 eyes and a mouth. Ooh. Have you guessed already? Can you see what it is on the washing line? Shall we see if you were right? Choo-choo! It's Thomas the Tank Engine, and he's a train. Let's see if we can find the word train to match. We found a train. Oh, let's have another go. Oh, Mrs. Wilton can feel something with lots of buttons. It's also got a round looking hole. Oh, I wonder what that could be. It's got a round circle looking hole and lots of buttons. Is it a camera, a doll, a car, or a mobile phone? Here goes. Get ready. Were you right? Yay! Let's get it off the washing line. It was a camera. Oh, let's dip inside the bag. I wonder what else I'm going to find in there. I wonder what's left on the washing line. Ooh. This toy has got 2 arms. Oh, a bit like the teddy bear. 2 legs. And it's got clothes on. And it's very, very hard. It's not a soft toy. Oh. What do you think it might be? A phone, a car, or a doll? Let's find out. Oh, it's a doll. Let's see if we can find the word doll. It's a doll. Well done. Ooh. 2 more things left inside the bag. I wonder which one it's going to be. See if you can guess which one it is. Listen to the instructions. It's something with 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. Oh, I'm not going to give you another clue. Do you know which one it is yet? Let's find out. It's a beep beep. It's a car. Let's find the word car. Well done, everyone. If you got that right at home, you are superstars today. So which one then is left in the bag? Which toy is in the bag? Shout it to me. Oh, I heard some correct answers then. Let's have a look. In the bag, I can feel something with lots of buttons. Oh, it's making a sound. It's saying brr, brr. It's a phone. Did you get the correct one, the same one as me? Mobile phone. Oh, well done if you got all of those things correct. Keep looking because a little bit later, Miss Green is going to play a game of something that's missing from the toy bag. See you soon.